As I say, pay-per-click advertising or AdWords, one of the best forms of marketing on the planet without any shadow of a doubt. You say, well, why is that, Steve? Well, I think it's because it works instantly. You can set an advertising campaign up this afternoon, and inside a couple of hours, once Google's approved it, it's off and running. You can then go, do you know what, tomorrow we've had loads of leads in, we need to turn it off because we can't cope with the leads. So you just press a button and turn it off again. You can turn it on again the following day and so on. So it's just like an on-off lead generation tool. But the other great thing about it is that, in the name of it, pay per click. So you only pay when somebody clicks and goes to your website. Okay, so it's not like, sticking an advert in the good old days in a glossy magazine is $1.5 to $2 grand a month for a full page ad. Doesn't matter whether that gets you any leads or not. With pay-per-click advertising, you get basically charged for traffic going to your website. And let's say, I don't know, you pay £1 per click and you get 100 people to go to your website.